How to be a good defensive player in chess? Well, these are the 9 resources that you guys have to know by heart. So we're going to go one by one. I'm going to give you examples, and hopefully by the end, you're going to have a better idea of what to look for when you're being attacked. Now, first item on our list seems obvious, but I know that I'm going to show you 2 examples, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to miss at least one of them. Guys, we need to close the attacking lines that our opponents are using to attack us. Now, before we go over this example, let me show you another one that I use a lot with my students when we're learning about attacking the king. And in this position, the white pieces simply took on g6, and I often ask my students, okay, what would you do in this position as black? And of course, the natural move, the impulse is to simply take back. But the right move here is pawn to h5.